So England has finally made their conclusion. But it's quite interesting because this question keeps popping up about Mason Greenwood. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in to another show. Big up on yourself every time. Now, this question keeps popping up. There's this long ongoing drama surrounding Mason Good. But let me make it clear from now. From what I know, from what my sources have told me, he is coming to play for Jamaica. That's what my sources have told me. Now, quite a few in recent times, apparently someone mentioned that Mason Greenwood is on the radar for the England team. Now, this is what the England manager, currently the interim manager at this moment, says about the situation. That's Lee Carsley. He has come out publicly to let people know how he thinks, how he feels about the situation, and also this could be a sentiment of the federation themselves. Now, with the questions consistently being asked, is this a question coming from other aspects of supporters in England? Because the journalists consistently ask about the same question, the same player. So it's a case in which the supporters want to see Mason Greenwood, and the federation said, no, we will not go over that line. But you will have supporters who, in agreement with the federation, that they don't want to see Mason Greenwood. But apparently, most of the supporters are in favor of reinstating Mason Greenwood. All right, let's get into the article, people. Lee Carsley give update on potential England return for Mason Greenwood after prolific start to season with Marseille. This is what he said. England take on Republic of Ireland on Saturday. Carsley first game in charge of the Three Lions since taking over from Southgate. Gareth Southgate. Gareth Southgate, people. Ahead of the match, Carsley was asked whether he had considered calling up Mason Greenwood to his squad after the forward's prolific start to the season with the French side Marseille. That's how I said, look at this. He was asked whether he had considered. So this is the reason why I said the supporters. Because even though maybe it's just one journalist asked a question, this could be a wide range question over a lot of the English supports our fan base. So we could safely assume that if one person asks it, it definitely can be. It can be a minority, but it also can be a majority. But certainly the question was asked, which means that they value the aspect or the answer are surrounding the player. So they want clarity. It's clearly that the support base want clarity. Or the journalists that's asking the question wants clarity on the situation. You could ask them, maybe the journalist is the only person who wants to see the player and just asking about it. And we might see pop up whenever the official manager come in place. All right, this is what Carson said about the situation. He told a press conference he wasn't a player we considered. I'm aware of how he's doing, but he wasn't under consideration, which means that no, Mason Greenwood is off the line, is not in the minds of the English Federation. So apparently, he has to make his choice on another aspect. Because I did say to people that at the start of the video, you say that. So maybe this is just 100% clarity on the matter surrounding Mason Greenwood and the English FA. I do believe though that when the official manager is reinstated, we might see the question coming up again for official confirmation. Now, the interim manager makes his sentiments clear. Now, that sentiments could be coming also from the English FA. They could have said, no, 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 no. Or it could be just off Lee Carsley. That's the reason why I'm saying that we might see the question pop up again if they should find a different head coach. I'm going to see the rest of the article. Yeah, it was referring to other persons who said, take no stuff, Greenwood. And what next? Greenwood has said he's open to keep the momentum going after an impressive start to the new campaign. The former Manchester United man has also been tipped to be sub international return and switch allegiance to Jamaica under new boss Steve McLaren. But it remains to be seen if and when he will resume his international career. And that covers the article. As I said, no, people, I am 100% happy for the clarity here. But remember, I did say that we might see this question popping up again. Why we might see the question popping up again? Solely because when the manager comes in play, who will be managing the England team, I do believe that if Mason Greenwood continues this form like that, questions will be asked specifically from journalists. Because at the end of the day, every team wants to see their best players on the pitch. So if the possibility may lie, they will ask those questions surrounding the player. For us, this is really good news. At least now we have confirmation that, hey, at this present moment, their eyes are totally off Mason Greenwood. So let's just get that documentation in place. And based off of the performance that we see one nighter, with the strikers, them a dash a goal. Boy, Mason Greenwood is supposed to just a licky lip. I said, just what if I was on that pitch? Just what if? And the truth is, people, we're not a prolific, we're not no, should I say, known prolific striker in the team. Because I personally think that if Kyle Dixon got those opportunities, my bag it. People would disagree to me. I thought that if Kyle Dixon get even one of those opportunities, he would have banged it. Just one. He would have banged it. But it's interesting. Let's see how this one go. But Mason Greenwood coming in, this is the ideal situation where clarity is concerned. This is actually one of the biggest clarity we've gotten from the England Federation side of things in regards to Mason Greenwood. But just remember, I said, people, we will see these questions popping up at some point in time again. Anyways, tell us what you think in the comment section. This is now a green light for us. So our minds can settle, say, you know what, good. They now look on him. They officially make it clear that they now look on it. So we are now in a good standing. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section, people. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Enjoy yourself, people. God bless. Boom. We're out. You know what I mean?